What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alex here, and today I want to talk to you guys about an amazing feature that came to all Galaxy phones. So if you have a Galaxy phone, you can get this feature. Now, a couple weeks ago, I made a video about the SwiftKey keyboard, which is the keyboard you see that I'm using right here. You can see I'm using the SwiftKey beta keyboard, and it got much better since the last time I made the video, because now Microsoft, who owns SwiftKey, also bought out OpenAI or ChatGPT, and they have integrated ChatGPT directly into the SwiftKey keyboard, and this brings some incredible features to this keyboard. Now, before I show you how this works, you're first going to need to install the SwiftKey keyboard onto your Galaxy device. Now, if you have an older phone, you might already have this on your phone because SwiftKey used to come installed on older Samsung devices. But if you don't have it, all you need to do is go to your Play Store and look for SwiftKey. Now, you can get the regular SwiftKey or the beta version. I'm using both. I don't really know what the difference is. They both have this integrated AI feature. So you can see if I switch to the regular non-beta version, you still have that AI option right there, but it's not colored. So I don't know, maybe there are a few newer features on the beta version, so you can use either one, but I'm using the beta one for this video. But once you have it installed on your phone, simply set it as your default keyboard. You can do it through the settings, or you can just tap on your Samsung keyboard. So most people are probably using their Samsung keyboard by default. Just tap on this little keyboard icon right here and then go to your SwiftKey keyboard and set it as your default. And now you can use this ChatGPT functionality. So let me show you how this works. If we tap on this, you'll see we have a few options here between search, tone, and chat. So what's really cool about this is if, let's say, you're having a conversation with your friend and maybe you're talking about a specific topic and you maybe want to do some research about it and link that article to your friend. So let's say maybe you're talking about Super Bowl performances. So we'll type into here Super Bowl halftime show, and then you can just hit this little arrow and ChatGPT will search online articles for these halftime performances. So you can see the first one says list of Super Bowl halftime shows. So maybe you want to link this article to your friend that lists all of the halftime shows. All you need to do is tap on it and send it, and it will send this direct link to your friend, and you can go directly from here to this link and read about all of the halftime performances. So definitely really cool, and you can do this for any topic about cooking steaks, World Cup championships, your favorite actors and movies. It really doesn't matter. You can search for just about anything. And then we have this other one next to that says tone, and this one is really cool because you can write out a sentence in here and then have ChatGPT articulate it to you in a different way. So let's say you're talking to your girlfriend or boyfriend and you kind of want to break it off. Things just aren't working out anymore. You can write into here, I want to break up, and then send this off to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will return a few different ways that you can articulate this sentence. So you can see, you can say this in a professional manner. I would like to end our relationship. Maybe you want to be more casual. You can say, I think we should see other people. Maybe you want to be polite about it and you want to say, I'm sorry, but I don't think we're right for each other. Or you can make a social post that says, it's time to move on. Hashtag breakup, hashtag single life. So now instead of asking your friends how to break up with somebody, you could just ask ChatGPT. And then if you like this response, maybe you want to be polite about it, you can just tap accept and it will put it into your text box, and you can send it off to your significant other, letting them know that, hey, things are over. And then if we go back into here, the last option in here is this chat button, and this will launch the actual ChatGPT engine. And in here, you can pretty much ask anything you want. And you have a choice between having a creative response, a precise response, or a balance of both. And you can see up here, you have a few options in here that you can tap just to learn about how this works. And there's even a little search recommendation in here. So it says, what is the latest tech news in tech? If you tap on that, ChatGPT will start searching. And then once it's done, it will give you a reply of everything that's new in the tech world. And of course, you can always ask your own questions. So if I paste this in, give me 5 YouTube video ideas related to Samsung S23 Galaxy phones. And then ChatGPT will generate some video ideas for me that I can use for my next video. So I don't even need to use my brain anymore. I can just get ChatGPT to give me all of these YouTube video ideas and make my life much easier. And you can use this in lots of different ways and in any application, as long as you have your SwiftKey keyboard as your default keyboard. So let's say we want to maybe write an email to our boss asking for a raise, but we don't know how to frame it. So you can see right here, I am in my email and I have my SwiftKey keyboard right here. All I need to do is go to the ChatGPT AI, tap on chat, And then just ask ChatGPT to write you an email asking for a raise. And look at that, just like that, ChatGPT has pretty much written an email template for you that you can just copy paste to write to your boss. And it even gives you some kind of guidelines to follow about how to write one of these emails. Here's an example of what your email might look like. Hi, insert the name of your boss or your manager or whoever you're writing to. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to take this opportunity to ask about the possibility of getting my salary increased. I have been working at this company for insert how many years now, and I have taken on additional responsibilities since I started. I believe that my contributions have been valuable to this company, and I would like to request a raise that reflects my hard work. Thank you for your time and consideration. Best regards, your name. So you can see that this is a really well-written professional email that tells you why you deserve this raise. It goes over how long you've been working at this company, that you've taken on extra work and you've contributed to the company. So definitely a really well formulated email that, would hopefully yield results. If you guys don't have this or haven't tried this, definitely jump in and give this a shot. It is really, really quite amazing. And I'm really excited to see how this is going to develop and improve in the future. But there you go, guys. That's going to do it for this video. Just a really, really awesome feature I wanted to let you know that's available on all Samsung Galaxy devices. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.